Flexible anti-collision column is adopted. Crafted with high-performance polymer composite materials. The material itself possesses both exceptional toughness and impact resistance. Ensure core protective performance of the product from the source. In industrial scenarios, even in the event of accidental impact from equipment such as forklifts. The body of the bollard can also rely on the elasticity of the material. Trait quickly rebounds to original position. No deformation or damage throughout the entire process. Perfectly avoids the easy fracture of traditional rigid protective facilities after impact. Pain points that are difficult to fix. More noteworthy is its excellent cushioning and energy absorption design can effectively disperse impact force. Can not only ensure the anti-collision post-zone structural integrity, better protects the forklift body to the greatest extent. The forks and the cargo being carried are not damaged. Completely eliminate equipment maintenance caused by collisions. Additional expenses such as cargo compensation. Whether it is workshop aisles, warehouse storage areas, or high-frequency operation areas such as logistics loading and unloading platforms. Flexible bollards provide efficient protection and reduce safety hazards, while saving enterprises maintenance and repair costs. Truly achieve a dual improvement in security assurance and economic returns. Become an indispensable and practical protective equipment in industrial scenarios.
Making your work safer. Little Buffalo.